Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to fix a leaking flat felt roof. So this is the roof here, this is an extension of the kitchen and the back room, the dining room. So we noticed a leak from the kitchen ceiling, which is coming from the flat extension roof, and yeah, let's see, a bit of a damage there, as you can see from the water leaking through. Yeah, so I suspect the leak is between the bathroom and the extension, somewhere around there. And I have been on the roof since, and on further investigation I did notice a small hole just in that corner of the roof between the bathroom. And with flat roofs, the leaks could be coming from anywhere. There's also quite a considerable amount of water as well on the roof at the moment, which may mean the roof isn't draining properly. So in the future we may need to replace the entire roof. In the future this will all be replaced with a new roof, and I might do a video on that as and when. But for now we're just going to do a quick fix, well, kind of a quick fix. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is remove as much water as possible, and then I'm going to just sweep that into the drain pipe there. Then what you need to do is remove the gravel on the roof and bag it up. Make sure the roof is clean, and you can go ahead and apply this, which is bitumen paint waterproof protection, and I'm going to apply it with a paintbrush, as that's all I've got. I did get some help from family members to do this. Okay, we've painted the whole roof, and now we're going to replace it with a new gravel that's been bought. So let's go. And I haven't noticed any more water coming from the kitchen. So that just continues that way, saves us a job of replacing the roof, as can be very expensive to do, especially 2 extensions on the back of the house like this. It has been raining very heavily over the last couple of days. There hasn't been any water coming down from the ceiling in the kitchen. Hopefully there shouldn't be any more leaks. So yeah, that's all good. that's been a success. Okay, what next to do? Well, the next thing to do obviously is to fill this hole in the ceiling in the kitchen, and I'll leave that for another video another time. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it's been useful, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Let's go.